Greetings, my friends. Happy Monday to all of you. So, friends, today I have huge breaking news. The Biden administration has just introduced a brand new program that will provide millions of Americans with extra financial aid. There are over 5 different payments that can be claimed right now by low-income households. So, friends, do watch until the end of this video if you would like to receive extra stimulus money. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter my giveaway, friends, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. And at the end of this video, I'll be announcing the winner of today's giveaway. Thank you so much, friends. So here is the latest news. Millions of low-income Americans will be able to get high-speed internet service for no more than $30 a month. This is under a partnership that the Biden administration has reached with major internet providers. According to the White House's announcement today, 20 internet providers, including AT&T, Comcast, and Verizon, have all agreed to increase their internet speeds or cut the prices of their services for eligible households. During a press conference today, President Biden told reporters, "High-speed internet is not a luxury any longer. It's a necessity. Many families cannot afford access to high-speed internet, so they do without or sacrifice other necessities to help pay for broadband service." This announcement is part of the administration's push to expand access to fast, affordable internet service in many rural areas. The bipartisan infrastructure law that Congress passed last year allows certain low-income families to receive a $30 monthly benefit or $75 a month to help pay for broadband service. So for those who apply, that benefit to one of the broadband plans covered under the deal announced today will essentially get high-speed internet service at no cost. President Biden also stated, "This partnership is going to change people's lives. About 48 million U.S. households, or nearly 40% of those in the country, are eligible for the broadband benefit. To make sure that eligible families take advantage of the offer, the Biden administration is launching a website that will provide all of the details about how they can sign up and find participating internet providers in their area. Households with annual incomes at or below 200% of the federal poverty level are eligible for this program. This is about $27,000 for an individual, or $55,000 for a family of 4. Families can also qualify if they are currently enrolled in other federal programs, such as Medicaid or Supplemental Security Income. Vice President Harris also stated, "Every person in our nation, no matter how much they earn, should be able to afford high-speed internet and a high-speed internet plan. So that is why we are all here together today." So my friends, what are your thoughts on this new bill? And do you think it will make a difference in millions of Americans' lives? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are feeling the crunch of higher prices in the grocery store or at the gas pump, relief for your wallet could be on the way. Both federal and state level legislation has been introduced and in some cases passed. It is to send rebates or stimulus checks directly to Americans. Governor Janet Mills signed a supplemental budget late last month to authorize direct relief payments of $850 for Maine taxpayers. Full-time residents with a federal adjusted gross income of less than $100,000 are eligible. Couples filing jointly will receive one relief check per taxpayer for a total of $1,700. Taxpayers are eligible for the payment regardless of whether they owe income tax to the state. Residents who did not file a state tax return for 2021 can file through October 31st to claim their payment. These one-time payments, which are being funded by the state surplus, are scheduled to be delivered by mail starting June 1st to the address on your 2021 main tax return. The supplemental budget also includes an increased benefit for Maine's earned income tax credit recipients. Also, the state of Indiana ended up with a healthy budget surplus at the end of 2021. In December of 2021, Governor Eric Holcomb announced that Indiana taxpayers would get a $125 one-time tax refund after they filed their 2021 taxes. There is no income requirement. Residents must have filed a tax return to be eligible. Payments are starting to be sent out right now and are expected to continue through midsummer. Taxpayers who file jointly will receive a single deposit of $250. Most taxpayers will receive their additional refund by direct deposit. If you change banks or don't have direct deposit information on file, you will receive a paper check in late summer.
Again, as a mother of 5, I'm especially proud to support the bill and want to salute all the mothers and women who have spoken out, also risking professional retaliation to end pregnancy discrimination in the workplace. This is what this means. It means that too often when a pregnant worker asks for a temporary job-related accommodation, she will be fired or pushed into unpaid leave, deprived of her paycheck and health insurance when she needs them most. This is particularly true in many fiscally taxing jobs, which tend to be low-wage and traditionally dominated by men. And that is why we must pass the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act, putting in place a clear, explicit pregnancy accommodation framework similar to the standard that is in place for decades for workers with disabilities, which I was proud to be part of. Our distinguished leader, Mr. Hoyer, has been a major leader in that regard. This legislation, Mr. Speaker, is also a matter of justice, as nearly 300 groups from the ACLU to 023 recently wrote to Congress from A to Z.
Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate every single one of you who are watching my videos daily. So the winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Joni Maxwell. Congratulations, my friend. If I have announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page to claim your gift card. Thank you so much, my friends, and please have a wonderful and blessed Monday.